Good morning, children. This is our English class. Today we are going to read a story of your Roots book, Chapter 3, The Shoemaker and the Elves. Follow your book, children, and start reading. An old shoemaker and his wife lived in a little cottage. They were very, very poor. One evening they were talking. So, what were they talking? "This is our last piece of leather," said the old shoemaker. "I will finish the shoes in the morning and sell them. What will we do then?" And his wife, "We will think about it in the morning. Let us go to bed now." So, from this page, we have come to know that the shoemaker said that was their last piece of leather, okay, and they did not know what to do after that, so they were worried. तो इस पेज में हम लोगों को पता चल रहा है कि शूमेकर और उनके वाइफ ये दोनों एक कॉटेज में रहते थे और वो लोग पुअर थे, ओके, पुअर थे। तो उन लोग जो वो शूमेकर बना रहे थे वो उन लोगों का लास्ट पीस ऑफ लेदर था। उसके बाद वो लोग क्या करेंगे उन लोगों को नहीं पता, ठीक है, इसलिए वो लोग थोड़ा इसको लेके चिंतित थे कि इसके बाद क्या करेंगे। नेक्स्ट पेज। The next morning, the shoemaker came down to finish the shoes. "What a perfect pair of shoes! Who did this?" Just then, a lady came in. "These shoes are beautiful. I will take them for double their price." That day, the shoemaker bought leather for 2 pairs of shoes. He cut the leather for both. It was become very dark. "I will finish this tomorrow." The next morning he found 2 perfect pairs of shoes on his workbench. So children, the shoemaker put the leather, and next day he found that there was a perfect pair of shoes, and it was very beautiful that a lady bought it with double price, and with that money the shoemaker bought 2 pair of shoes, and again he put that on his workbench, and next day he found there were 2 pairs of beautiful shoes. ओके चिल्ड्रेन, तो इस पेज में हम लोग को पता चल रहा है कि हाँ, जो वो लेदर बेंच के ऊपर रख के वो लोग सोने चले गए थे। तो नेक्स्ट डे उन्होंने क्या देखा कि वहाँ पे एक बहुत ही अच्छा शू वहाँ पे बना हुआ था, और वो इतना ही सुंदर था कि एक लेडी उनको डबल प्राइस दे के ख़रीद के लेके गए। तो इस प्राइस से वो शू मेकर फिर से 2 पेयर ऑफ शूज़ के लेदर ख़रीद के लाए। फिर वो उन लेदर को कट किए और रात हो गया था, तो वो सोने चले गए। नेक्स्ट डे जब वो उठे नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग, तो उन्होंने फिर से देखा कि वहाँ पे 2 पेयर ऑफ शूज़ वहाँ पे बना हुआ था, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट पेज। These 2 sold for a large sum, and the shoemaker bought leather for 4 pairs of shoes. This went on till the shoemaker and his wife became rich. One day they decided to find out who was helping them, so they hid in a dark corner of the workshop. As the clock struck 12, in leaped 2 little elves. They flew about the workbench, moving quickly from one shoe to another. They are done in a jiffy. Let us go. So the children, this then the shoemaker bought leather of 4 pairs of shoes. Again he cut and put it on the bench, and next morning he found beautiful shoes. Okay, so this went on till they became rich. Okay, now one day they decided to find out who were helping them, so they hid themselves in the corner of their workshop. Okay, and what did they see? They saw two elves came and made their shoes. Okay, तो बच्चों देखो क्या पता चल रहा है, ऐसे करके वो नेक्स्ट डे 4 पेयर ऑफ शूज़ के लेदर खरीद के लाए, और फिर वो नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग में जब उठे तो देखे शूज़ बना हुआ था. ऐसे ही चलता रहा जब तक कि ना शूमेकर और उनके वाइफ जो थे वो रिच बन गए. ठीक है, और फिर एक दिन उन्होंने डिसाइड किया कि उनको अभी जानना है, देखना है कि कौन उनके हेल्प कर रहे. तो वो लोग क्या किए, अपने वर्कशॉप में एक कॉर्नर में छुप के वेट करने लगे. तो जब रात को 12 बजे तो देखे कि 2 एल्व्स. अभी एल्व्स क्या होते हैं? एल्व्स छोटे छोटे इंसान, इमेजिनरी. ओके, इमेजिनरी स्मॉल पर्सन. तो वो लोग आए और वो शूज़ बनाने लगे. नेक्स्ट पेज. द shoemaker and his wife were touched. They wanted to do something for the helpful little elves. So the shoemaker said, the wife of the shoemaker said, I will make them some clothes. Their clothes were torn and patched, and I will make little shoes for them. They had bare feet. That night, instead of leather, they left the gifts on the workbench. What are these boxes? Shirts and trousers. They look like they are our size. These shoes look like they would fit us. Let us put them on. So, on that night, the shoemaker and his wife decided to give some gift for the helpful elves. So they decided, the wife of shoemaker decided that she would make some clothes, and the shoemaker decided to make small shoes for the elves. Okay, so that night they put the gift boxes for the elves on the workbench, and the elves were very happy with the gift. Okay, with the shirt and trousers and shoes. तो उस दिन रात को क्या हुआ, जब उन्होंने देखे कि जो एल्फ्स है वो उनका हेल्प कर रहे हैं, तो उन्होंने सोचा उनको भी एल्फ्स के लिए कुछ गिफ्ट देना है. ठीक है, क्योंकि एल्फ्स के जो कपड़े थे वो फटे हुए थे. हाँ, तो क्या उन्होंने शूमेकर के वाइफ ने डिसाइड किया कि वो एल्फ्स के लिए कपड़े बनाएंगे, और शूमेकर ने डिसाइड किया कि वो एल्फ्स के लिए शूज़ बनाएंगे. तो ऐसे ही वो लोग बना के बॉक्स में रख के उस दिन वो गिफ्ट बॉक्स बेंच के ऊपर रख दिए थे. एल्फ्स जब आए और वो गिफ्ट देखे तो वो लोग समझ गए कि ये गिफ्ट उनके लिए ही है, और वो लोग वो गिफ्ट पाके बहुत खुश हो गए. ओके, नेक्स्ट पेज. Let us go. They are comfortable. The shoemaker and his wife never saw the elves again, but from then on, as long as they lived, all was well with them. So they put on the dress and shoes, and they went, and the shoemaker and his wife never saw them again. Okay, children, तो देखो क्या हुआ, वहाँ पे जब वो गिफ्ट उनको गिफ्ट मिले, वो लोग बहुत खुश हुए और फिर वो लोग वो पहने और चले गए। उसके बाद शूमेकर और उनके वाइफ फिर कभी उनको नहीं देखे, पर हाँ वो लोग रिच हो गए थे, उनको और प्रॉब्लम कुछ नहीं था। तो इसके बाद से उन लोगों के लाइफ अच्छा ही थे, उन लोगों के साथ कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं थे। ओके, सो दिस इज़ द स्टोरी। I hope you like this story. Read the story again, children. Okay, here are some word meaning. Read this also. Next day I will give you question answer, and you try this tick mark and cross mark. Put tick for the correct sentence and cross for the incorrect. Okay, so try this one by yourself, and next day I will discuss this also and the question answers with you. Thank you.